Hey, what's up guys? I hope that all of you are doing well. So if you have a Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you might have already got the OneUi 7 update on your device, and today in this video we will talk about the new Galaxy AI features available with this OneUi 7 update. And by chance, if you haven't updated your device, so simply go into the settings and from here tap on software update. Then you have to tap on download and install. From here you will get to see the new OneUi 7 update available. This update will be of 5 GB in size with a security patch level of the April 1st, 2025. So there are some new Galaxy AI features available with this new OneUi 7 update. So today in this video we will talk about those Galaxy AI features. So starting off with the first Galaxy AI feature, for that you will have to long press your side button, also known as power button, and if you will long press it, you can access the Gemini is your new AI assistant from the Google. So this new Gemini assistant is available with the OneUi 7 update whenever you will long press your side button. Now moving on to the next Galaxy AI feature. So if you have a video with the distracting noise in the background, so now you can eliminate that distracting voice from the videos using this audio eraser feature. So from the video you have to tap on this Galaxy AI option and it will now analyze the sound. Now you can adjust the voices and the noise from this manually, or if you want to auto adjust it, simply tap on the auto option available in this left side, or you can mute it completely, and if you want to save it, simply tap on save edits and the video will be saved. Also, if your video contains some music in the background, so you can also remove that by simply tapping on this music option. Now let's move on to the next Galaxy AI feature. For that, simply go into the calls app, then you have to tap on the settings and then record calls. From here you get to see a new transcript assist. You can now auto transcribe your recorded calls. That will automatically convert your recorded calls into a text transcript. So this new transcript feature is available in the calls app. Next up, you have some new AI features available with a keyboard that can help you write some text, or if your grammar is not correct, it will autocorrect it for you. But for that, the text should be above the 5 characters. And now you can tap on this writing style and it will fill up your words. As you can see, it has converted into many writing styles that you can directly copy or replace from here. Or if you have some grammar or spelling issue, it will also correct it for you. So check out these brand new Galaxy AI features available with the OneUi 7 update. And if you're new on the channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.